Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. What if your retirement didn't depend on selling shares? What if it depended on cash flow instead? Today, we're answering one of the most important questions a long-term investor can ask. Can DGRO or SCHD actually fund your retirement? Not which one looks better on a chart. Not which one paid the biggest dividend last quarter. But which ETF can realistically support decades of living expenses, inflation, market crashes, and all. We're talking dividend reliability, income growth, recession performance, tax efficiency, and real-world retirement scenarios. This is not a short video. This is a deep dive. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Funding retirement effectively requires a deep understanding of your financial needs over the long term. It's crucial to focus on investments that offer reliable and consistent income rather than chasing after high yields or short-term gains. Considering real retirement criteria, we'll take a closer look at DGRO and SCHD to assess their utility in providing sustainable income against inflation and market fluctuations. Funding retirement means prioritizing stability. Funding retirement successfully hinges on strategic investment choices that prioritize consistent income and long-term growth over fleeting trends. By focusing on reliable funds like DGRO and SCHD, investors can build a robust financial foundation that withstands the test of time, ensuring secure retirement years ahead. DGRO aims to provide investors with a reliable income stream, harnessing the power of dividend growth. By prioritizing quality companies, it not only offers potential capital appreciation but also a hedge against inflation. This strategy encourages a long-term perspective, which can be crucial for anyone considering their financial future and sustainability during retirement. With DGRO, the journey towards financial stability starts with understanding its core tenets and principles. Can you rely on DGRO? In exploring DGRO's benefits, it's important to remember that while it may not deliver immediate high yields, the strategy targets companies poised for long-term dividend increases, ensuring that your retirement income can adapt over time, aligning perfectly with the goal of maintaining financial security in the future. SCHD is a cash flow machine that appeals to those who seek consistent and dependable returns. The strategy behind SCHD ensures that income remains a priority, providing peace of mind to investors focused on stability rather than rapid growth. However, investors must weigh potential risks carefully. Higher income may lead to increased volatility in certain market conditions. SCHD offers an exceptional approach for income-driven investors, balancing strong cash flow with the need for stability and sustainability. It stands out as a prudent choice for those prioritizing reliable income over aggressive growth, ensuring peace of mind in a fluctuating market. Investors need to recognize the resilience of SCHD against various market challenges, from inflation spikes to interest rate shocks. Its consistent track record reassures those looking for stability in their retirement investments, while DGRO thrives under optimal economic conditions, highlighting a distinct investment philosophy. Understanding these differences empowers smarter financial decisions. SCHD demonstrates strength in surviving downturns. This resilience is crucial for long-term financial security. Recognizing the unique strengths of SCHD and DGRO enables investors to tailor their strategies according to market conditions, ensuring a robust approach toward achieving financial independence in retirement through informed selection and a diversified investment portfolio. Inflation can erode the financial security of those relying solely on fixed income, while strategic investment choices can offer different paths to retirement stability. DGRO emphasizes long-term growth, ensuring savings aren't just preserved but appreciated. Meanwhile, SCHD caters to immediate needs, providing current income with less growth potential. Ultimately, the choice between DGRO and SCHD depends on individual financial goals and needs, highlighting the importance of intentional investing to secure a prosperous retirement amidst the challenges inflation presents. In the early retirement scenario, individuals find themselves enjoying the fruits of their labor earlier than expected. Choosing SCHD strategically allows for a greater cash flow, which can enhance lifestyle options and provide financial security during these crucial years. This strategy invites a careful review of investment choices. Ultimately, each retirement scenario presents unique challenges and opportunities, but understanding your choices can pave the way for a secure and fulfilling retirement, regardless of the path chosen. Embracing informed investment strategies leads to better outcomes as individuals transition into this exciting new chapter of life. Retirement involves strategic planning, capturing both financial stability and the psychological endurance necessary to weather market fluctuations. With SCHD, retirees can sustain their lifestyle without the emotional strain of selling assets at a loss during troubling times. DGRO offers potential rewards for those who can remain steadfast, trusting that their investments will yield growth over time, even amidst uncertainty. In the journey towards financial security, it's crucial to remember that resources alone won't suffice. Understanding the interplay of emotions can guide us through the complexities of retirement planning and investing. Embracing this knowledge can empower retirees, allowing them to navigate their financial futures with greater confidence and peace of mind. When considering your options, it's crucial to assess your current financial needs versus your future retirement goals. Each ETF has unique benefits tailored to different timelines. However, combining SCHD and DGRO may provide the best of both worlds. Understanding how SCHD and DGRO complement each other can significantly enhance your retirement strategy, ensuring a balanced approach that meets both immediate and long-term income needs. By integrating these two ETFs thoughtfully, you can pave a solid path toward a secure financial future. Instead, they build a diverse portfolio that ensures a steady stream of income, giving them the freedom to enjoy their hard-earned retirement years. The smartest retirees know that financial security comes from a balanced approach. Ultimately, combining SCHD and DGRO allows retirees to enjoy both the peace of mind that comes from stability and the excitement of growth, paving the way for a fulfilling and financially secure retirement journey without the fear of exhausting their resources. Thank you for being with us. We appreciate your support and look forward to your feedback. Your engagement helps us grow and improve, so stay tuned for more exciting content. Together, we'll embark on new adventures and explore fresh ideas. Until next time, take care and keep seeking inspiration in every moment. Thank you for being part of our community.